Hello guys, welcome to Vitesse Communication channel. So in today's video, we are going to talk about some of the causes of your phone not charging. What are the following things that will make your phone not to charge? It is not only when your charging point is bad that your phone will not charge, but also have other things that will make your phone not to charge. The first of all, the number one is bad charger. Look at charger here. When your charger is bad, it is impossible for your phone to charge. All of us will know that one. Secondly, is the charging point. When your phone charging point is being damaged or bad, it will not charge. Thirdly, battery. When your battery, either the inbuilt or the spoiled battery is being damaged or is bad, your phone will not charge. Take note of that one. Another reason that will make your phone not to charge is your charging flex. What you are seeing on the screen, there's what we call the connecting flex. This flex connects both the up panel and the down panel. So when this flex is bad, your phone will not charge. Or if you want to charge, it will charge partially. Another thing is bad down board or down panel. When your down panel or your down board is bad, it will be impossible for your phone to charge. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Vitesse Communication channel. Thanks for sticking with me to the end of the video. Bye.